up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And by the way, happy 4th for those who celebrate the 4th of July. And today in this video, I decided I would try to do my edges. I'm not really a swoopy swoop person. My edges aren't thick enough to like for you to notice the waves and stuff. But I was just like, you know what, I was looking at a YouTube video last night of a girl trying it. I'll link her video down below. That's where I kind of got this whole idea of the products to use and everything from her. And so I thought I'll just try to do it today. So this is just me trying to do the whole wave, tsunami, baby hair look type of thing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also you can put down in the description, not description box, you can put down in the comment section any other, I guess, things that I should do. Maybe if you want, you know, ways to style your braids or whatever, something like that. If you have an idea, comment down below. But to keep this intro short, let's get right into it. And y'all, like, I was really nervous, but when I started to take the scarf off, like, it was so, like, it was really stuck to my head, and I was just like, oh, it's white, it's not done. But it actually didn't look half bad. Just like I said, I have thin edges, so when I swoop them, they don't look like much. But I mean, I feel like it was a success in my case. Like, it actually swooped up, waved up a little bit, not like hers did, but this is good enough for me. So I was happy with the results.
Cinn City wasn't made for you. Angels like you.